Okay, buddy. What do you got?
A present.
Okay, open that present up. Who's it
Open
from?
the envelope first. You have to open the card first. Open the card. Take the envelope. Who is that from? Do you remember?
Please want my parents.
And who else?
It's Sherry.
No.
No.
Aunt Karen and Uncle Tim and Daisy. So open your card. Gotta look at your card first, bud.
Can you read your card?
This is that calls Mickey Mouse.
Yes, nephew, a regular birthday wish simply won't do. For a wonderful, wonderful first-class nephew like you. Miss you, sweetie. Love, Uncle Tim, Aunt Karen, and Daisy.
Hey, Mama, do you know how to take it off?
I'll help you. Then you can take the paper, okay? There you go.
Oh, thank you.
What do you think it is?
Now, a bird says some toys.
What is it?
What'd you get?
A shoe.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
that looks nice. That's the same color as your birthday cake.
A nice jacket for soccer.
Yeah.
And some nice pants for soccer. Say, what do you say?
Thank you. Mama, can you take the ribbon off?
Yeah, I'll help you take that one off too.
Then you're going to
There you go.
what's that? A bird and some toys?
I don't know. You'll have to open it and find out.
What are they?
What did you get? Oh my goodness.
Did you get soccer shoes?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
those are so nice.
Wow, what do you say?
What do you say?
Thank you. About this little truck in here.
Yeah.
Really?
What is there? Oh my goodness.
How about that?
Oh, what about the other shoe? Look in the other shoe.
Oh, okay. Look in the other shoe. Or the other part.
Oh, there's a truck. What do you say, buddy?
Thank you. This goes on here.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Jake, look at the camera.
Thank you.
Very